Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Ocean. I'm Mr. Puck, an English teacher from the United States. Today's episode is very special because we're going to start with something simple but very important: how to introduce yourself in English. I'll tell you a story about my first day teaching in another country, and then we'll practice together. By the end of this episode, you'll be ready to introduce yourself with confidence anywhere in the world. Let's get started. A few years ago, I traveled from the United States to Spain to start a new job as an English teacher. It was a warm September morning. I remember walking through the school gate, hearing children's voices, and feeling both excited and a little nervous. This was my very first day. When I entered the classroom, 20 students were sitting at their desks. They all looked at me curiously. Some whispered to each other, some smiled, and some just waited quietly. I took a deep breath, smiled, and said loudly, "Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Puck. I'm from the United States. I'm your new English teacher. Nice to meet you." The students looked a little surprised at first, but then they smiled back and repeated after me. One brave student raised his hand and said, "My name is Javier. I'm from Spain. Nice to meet you." And suddenly, one after another, the students began introducing themselves. Some were shy, but when they saw their friends doing it, they got braver. That moment taught me something very important. The first step to communication, friendship, and connection is always a simple introduction. Just saying your name and where you're from can open doors. So, let's break it down. When I introduced myself, I used 3 simple parts. 1. My name. 2. My country. 3. A polite phrase. Here are some examples. Saying your name. Hi, my name is Puck. Hello, I'm Puck. For saying your country, I'm from the United States. I'm from Egypt. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. For being polite, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Glad to meet you. And if someone says nice to meet you, you can always answer nice to meet you too, or same here. You can make your introduction longer by adding 1 or 2 personal details. For example, "Hi, my name is Puck. I'm from the United States and I'm an English teacher." "Hello, I'm Maria. I'm from Mexico and I love cooking." "Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm from Egypt and I'm a student." You can also add hobbies or things you like. "I like traveling." "I like playing football." "I enjoy reading books." "I love music." Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is... I'm from... Nice to meet you. I like... Now let's try full introductions. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Italy. I like painting. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Puck. I'm from the United States. I love traveling. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Ollie. I'm from Egypt. I enjoy playing football. Glad to meet you. Great job! In American culture, when you introduce yourself, it's not only about the words. Your body language is important too. We usually smile. We look into the other person's eyes. We might shake hands, especially in professional situations. And we use a friendly tone of voice. These small details make your introduction warmer and more natural. So today, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. Remember, every big conversation starts with a simple hello and your name. Don't be afraid to speak up. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Now it's your turn. I want you to write your introduction in the comments. Tell me, A, your name, B, your country, C, one hobby you enjoy. I'll read them and maybe share some in the next episode. Thank you so much for joining me today on Speak Ocean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time for another English story and lesson. Bye for now.